In this video, we're going to look at simple linear patterns, and we're going to look in this particular question between the link between the number of matches in the base and the number of matches in the whole triangle. So the first triangle, which I've just circled in red, has 1 match on the base and 3 in total. The second one has 2 matches on the base and 6 in total. The third one has 1, 2, 3 on the base, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 altogether. So looking at this pattern, it's going up by 3. So we would then expect to have 12 in total when you have 4 in the base, and 15 in total when you have 5 in the base. So we need to think of a formula that links B and T. So if I know the number of matches along the bottom, how could I work out how many matches are altogether? Now, so we would want something, T is always going to be equal to something times B in this simple linear pattern. Now, the amount is going up by 3. And whatever the amount of the bottom line is going up is what I times B by. So my formula is T equals 3B, or T equals 3B. So now we're going to use this formula. So it says, if B is 10, what is T? Well, we're going to have T is equal to 3B. So T is going to be equal to 3 times 10. So T equals 30 matches. So if there are 10 in the base, there'd be 30 matches in total. Now it's asking me if T equals 27, what's B? So put down my formula. T equals 3B. Subbing the values I know. So I know T is 27. I don't know what B is. And then to solve this, I need to get B on its own. To work out what B is, I must divide both sides by 3. So B would be 9. So you'd need 9 matches if you've got 27 in total.